My friends, we are celebrating 78 Indian Independence Day 2024 through blood donation camp organized by Mecheda Srijan in association with Kontai Blood Donation Camp in Purbo Medinipur of West Bengal in India. My friends, this blood donation camp organized by Srijan is taking place at Pather Sathi. My friends, Pather Sathi is located very near to Mecheda railway station in Purbo Medinipur in West Bengal of India. My friends, this is the building Pather Sathi. My friends, now I am entering in Pather Sathi, where the blood donation camp on the occasion of 78 Indian Independence Day 2024 is going on. My friends, this is the donor entry point. Donors' entries are well maintained. Donor record register area. My friends, this is the donors record register area. Now it is the moment of checking the pressure. Designated personalities are there to check the pressure. My friends, this is the blood donation area and Dr. Sahab is there. See my friends, how the blood donation camp is going on, and this time donor is there and doctor is taking the blood from donor. Really the good time, good moment, and this is the moment which you can share with your friends and relatives. My friends, donor becomes quiet and cool. My friends, see how the blood is taken off, and the doctor is the reputed doctor in Purbo Medinipur. My friends, this time blood is taken and whatever rules and regulations should be maintained, it is well maintained. My friends, this is the time, this is the end time of taking the blood, and doctor is doing his great job, and this program has been organized by Srijan in association with Kontai Blood Bank on the occasion of 78 Indian Independence Day 2024. My friends, see the package of blood which has been taken from this donor. Really the time and system, this is the good time for us, and this is the packaged blood. My friends, this is the lunch checking area, and this is our Dr. Sahab. This is the lungs checking area where the patient has come and doctor is there. Patient has come here with full confidence, and doctor is there to check the lungs with full confidence. My friends, see how this doctor is maintaining the process for checking the lungs. My friends, see the system and see how the patient inhales and how the patient will exhale, and the rules which the patient has to maintain is well described by doctor. And see how the patient is inhaling and exhaling, and at the end of that the report has come out. I hope very good report is there and patient is extremely happy. My friends, this is the certificate given by Srijan to the blood donor after giving the blood. This is the blood credit card which is given to blood donor, and the validity of this blood credit card is 1 year. My friends, now I have got Dibyendu Ghodai with me, and now I shall ask him what kind of support he has got after giving the blood to Srijan and Srijan, who has organized the blood donation camp on the occasion of 78 Indian Independence Day 2024. He is Dibyendu Ghodai from Kumor Chowk, and he has donated his blood. After giving the blood, he has been given the certificate. He has been given the tricolor and memento. He has been given the food package and package drinking water. He has been gifted a suitable and beautiful tiffin box, and along with that he has been given the food package. I think each and every donor has been satisfied after donation of their blood here. He has been given a beautiful tree. My friends, Ritika, how you are associated with Srijan?
Actually, I am a founder member of Srijan, and as on date, I am holding the post of secretary of Srijan.
Okay. And how you are thinking that what is your mission about Srijan in future?
Srijan actually a social organization. Srijan doing lots of things in our society.
Okay.
Actually, our mission is upliftment of below poverty line people.
Okay.
And we are doing lots of work, such as we have medical team, we have educational team,
okay.
We have computer classroom, free of cost. We have karate classroom, we have tailoring classroom, and lots of things have been doing from last 6 years.
Okay. My friends, on the occasion of 78 Indian Independence Day, you have planned to organize blood donation camp. Why?
Actually, in the memory of freedom fighter, this year is 8th Independence Day. We have been planning from last 2 months which activity should be done on that day, and then we collectively decided that blood donation camp is right thinking. We are also very fortunate having you here, and thank you Utpal, and thank you for your YouTube channel.
Okay, my friends, thank you, Srijan. Again. Okay. And thank you, Ritik. Begin.
সবাই
And all
collectively
members
and together.
all together. We